What are the early liver disease symptoms? Hello everyone and welcome back to your favorite channel on YouTube. Have you ever asked yourself which are the early symptoms of liver diseases and how to identify them? In this video we'll show you 6 of most common early liver disease symptoms. But before starting, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified every time we upload a new video. So let's get right into the subject. The liver is an organ about a football-sized and sits just under your rib cage on the right side of your abdomen. The liver is our essential organ for digesting food and ridding your body of toxic substances. Liver disease can be genetic or inherited. Liver diseases can be caused by a variety of factors that damage the liver, such as viruses, excessive alcohol, and obesity. These are the most common liver disease symptoms. Abdominal pain and swelling. When your belly begins to cause pain, it typically appears in the upper right abdomen, or just under the lower right ribs. The pain can feel like throbbing or stabbing, and it may come and go. A swollen abdomen can lead to a condition called ascites, in which liver malfunction leads to an imbalance of proteins and other compounds, and fluid builds up in the tissues. The main symptom, potbelly, often signals cirrhosis. Sometimes swelling occurs in the feet and hands, as gravity draws excess fluid down to these extremities. Dark urine color. Dark urine is dark-colored than urine that is usually straw yellow in color. Darker urine can be many colors, but is usually brown, dark yellow, or maroon. Ideally, healthy human urine would be a pale yellow in color. This would indicate you're hydrated. Urine naturally has some yellow pigment called urobilin. The dark-colored urine is, the more concentrated it tends to be. Dark urine is most commonly due to dehydration. Also, it may be an indicator that excess or potentially dangerous waste products are circulating in the body. For example, dark brown urine may show liver disease due to the presence of bile in the urine. Loss of appetite. Nausea, a disinterest in food, and weight loss is some early symptoms of liver problems. In fact, the initial stages of hepatitis usually bring flu-like symptoms, including digestive discomfort. A low appetite occurs when you have a reduced desire to eat. It may also be known as a poor appetite or loss of appetite. The medical term for this is anorexia. A wide variety of issues can cause your appetite to decrease. These can be mental and physical illnesses. If you have loss of appetite, you may also have related symptoms, such as weight loss or malnutrition. These can worsen if left untreated, so it's important to find the reason behind your decreased appetite and treat it. Tendency to bruise easily. An unhealthy liver produces fewer of the proteins necessary for blood clotting, which means you may bleed and bruise more easily. A bruise forms when blood becomes trapped under the skin, usually because of a hit that damages a tiny blood vessel. Anything else that puts sudden high pressure on the skin can cause a bruise, such a fall or blow. Heavy blows can damage bones, causing deep bleeding and bruises that take several weeks to heal. Minor bruises often heal in a few days. Nausea or vomiting. Nausea and upset stomach are common early symptoms of liver disease, but as your liver's ability to eliminate toxins decreases, your digestive distress will likely increase. Nausea is usually a reaction to excess waste products in the body, and unexplained vomiting is often linked to liver problems. Skin and eyes that appears yellowish. As liver function declines and waste can no longer be eliminated from the human body efficiently, the bile pigment can build up in the bloodstream. In turn, the skin and eyes can conduct to a yellowish color, urine will appear darker, and stools will appear lighter. The medical term that describes yellowing of the skin and eyes is jaundice. Jaundice itself is not a disease, but it is a symptom of many possible underlying illnesses. Jaundice can indicate a severe problem with the function of your red blood cells, liver, gallbladder, or pancreas. So if you suspect issues with your liver, take your concerns to your doctor right away. There are many tests that can quickly and painlessly reveal the extent of your liver condition, and that will determine the right course of therapy if needed. So, what you think about this video? Please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time.